Hello, welcome to our video about 5 endangered Brazilian animals. So, first of all I ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment. This helps YouTube content creators a lot. Every animal plays a vital role in the ecosystem it lives in, and the loss of one species can have devastating consequences for the entire environment. Furthermore, many of these species are unique and fascinating, and their extinction means an irreparable loss to the diversity of life on Earth. It is our responsibility to care for and protect endangered animals, as we are all part of the same chain of life. We can make a difference by adopting more sustainable habits, such as reducing plastic consumption, supporting organizations that work to protect wildlife, and educating others about the importance of preserving endangered animals. Remember that every little action can make a difference. Let's work together to secure a future for these amazing species and our planet. So let's go. Number 1. Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw is known for its bright blue feathers, which contrast with its yellow unfeathered areas around the eyes and beak. They are large birds, measuring up to 1 meter in length and having a wingspan of about 1.5 meters. In addition, they have a strong curved beak, ideal for cracking nuts and seeds. Unfortunately, the hyacinth macaw has been the target of several threats to its survival, such as predatory hunting, loss of natural habitat and animal trafficking. Currently, it is estimated that there are less than 5,000 individuals living in the wild. An interesting curiosity about hyacinth macaws is that they are monogamous and build their nests in hollow tree trunks. They form lasting bonds with their partners and often live in small family groups. Hyacinth macaws are very intelligent and sociable animals, and are capable of imitating human speech. They also play an important role in the ecosystem, helping to disperse seeds and maintain biodiversity. Therefore, it is important that we as human beings do our part in preserving these very special birds. If you want to help in the conservation of blue macaws and other endangered species, one way is to support organizations that work in this cause and disseminate information about the importance of preserving biodiversity. Together, we can ensure these beautiful birds continue to soar across our country's skies. Number 2. Black-fronted piping guan or jacutinga. The jacutinga is an endemic bird of the Brazilian Atlantic forest, which is threatened with extinction due to habitat loss and hunting. She is known for her loud, squeaky sons, which echo through the rainforests and misty forests where she lives. The jacutinga is a large frugivore, which feeds on fruits, seeds and flowers found in the canopy of trees. She may also eat small animals such as insects and lizards. Its plumage is black with white spots, which makes it easily recognizable in the forest. Some curiosities about the jacutinga include: the word jacutinga comes from the Tupi-Guarani language and means paca hunter, in reference to its resemblance to the paca, a very common hunting animal in the Atlantic forest region. Piping guans often congregate in large flocks, especially during the fruiting season when the forests are teeming with food. These flocks can consist of up to 50 birds. The song of the jacutinga is loud and shrill, and can be heard from a great distance. It's a series of high-pitched notes that start out soft and build in volume, peak, and then fade away again. The jacutinga is considered a key species for the heritage of the Atlantic forest, as it helps to disperse seeds of several plant species. Its decline can have a negative impact on forest biodiversity. The jacutinga is an animal hunted for its meat and feathers, which are used in religious rituals and indigenous ceremonies. Illegal hunting is one of the main threats to the survival of the species. Let's move on to the next animal on our list. Number 3. Bush dog. Bush dog is a small canid endemic to South America, found in various regions of the Amazon rainforest, the Cerrado, and the Atlantic forest. He is one of the smallest members of the dog family, with an average length of around 60 centimeters and a weight that varies between 4 and 6 kilograms. The bush dog has a reddish-brown coat, with a black mask around the eyes and large, rounded ears. It is a solitary and nocturnal animal, which feeds mainly on rodents, birds and fruits. Some curiosities about the dog vinegar include: the name, vinegar dog, in Portuguese, comes from the strong and unpleasant odor that the animal emits, similar to the smell of vinegar. This odor is used to mark the territory and as a means of communication between individuals of the species. The bush dog is one of the few dogs that can climb trees, thanks to its sharp claws and flexible paws. It is also a good swimmer and can chase prey underwater. The bush dog is a solitary species, which is rarely seen in groups. However, in areas where food is plentiful, it may be possible to find up to 10 individuals together. The bush dog is considered a near-threatened species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss and illegal hunting. He is a rare animal to be seen in the wild, as he is very shy and elusive. The bush dog is an important animal for the ecological balance of the forests, as it helps to control the population of rodents, which can cause damage to the plants. It can also help disperse seeds of many plant species by transporting them in your digestive tract. The bush dog is a little known and studied animal, which makes it a fascinating species for scientific research. Some recent studies have focused on its social behavior, communication, and food ecology, aiming to improve its conservation and protection. Number 4. Robust woodpecker. The robust woodpecker is one of the species of the Picidae family, found in several regions of Brazil. It is considered one of the largest woodpeckers in the world, measuring up to 45 centimeters in length and weighing about 350 grams. The robust woodpecker has glossy black plumage, with some white and red spots on the head and neck. It feeds mainly on insects, which it finds by hammering down trees with its strong, adjustable beak. Some fun facts about the robust woodpecker include: it is considered a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss and illegal capture for the wildlife trade. The robust woodpecker is known for its territorial and aggressive behavior, which includes high-pitched vocalizations and savage attacks against other woodpeckers and even larger animals such as cats and dogs. The robust woodpecker is a symbol of the Brazilian Atlantic forest. It is considered an indicator of forest health, as it is sensitive to environmental disturbance and habitat degradation. It is a monogamous species, forming permanent pairs throughout life. The couple built the nest in a tree cavity, where the female lays 1 to 3 eggs. The robust woodpecker is an important species for the conservation of the Atlantic forest, as it helps to control the population of insects and aids in the dispersal of seeds of several species of plants. The robust woodpecker is one of the symbols of the city of São Paulo, having been chosen as the city's mascot in 2002. It is portrayed in several works of art and monuments in the city, such as the statue located in Ibirapuera Park. And here we go for the last endangered Brazilian animal that we will show here in the video. Do you know what it is? Number 5. The leatherback turtle takes its name from its carapace, which is composed of a layer of leather and fibrous tissue, rather than the bony scales found on other species of turtles. It is a migratory species and can travel great distances between feeding and breeding areas. Unfortunately, the leatherback turtle has faced several threats to its survival, such as incidental fishing, marine pollution, degradation of breeding habitats and collection of its eggs. In addition, rising ocean temperatures and sea acidification have also affected their population. An interesting curiosity about the leatherback turtle is that it is a species with great longevity, being able to live for more than 100 years. In addition, she is an excellent diver and can reach depths of up to 1,300 meters in search of food. Another curiosity is that the leatherback turtle is a species that performs impressive migrations. They can travel up to 10,000 kilometers between feeding and breeding areas, crossing the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Fortunately, there are conservation efforts underway to protect the leatherback and other sea turtle species. Several organizations and government institutions work to protect breeding habitats, inspect fishing, and raise public awareness of the importance of conservation for these species. Therefore, if you want to help preserve the leatherback turtle and other endangered species, you can contribute by supporting these initiatives and adopting more sustainable habits, such as reducing plastic consumption and responsible fishing. Together, we can ensure a better future for this very special species and the oceans it inhabits. We have reached the end of this video. I would like to thank all of you who have followed this far. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something new from the content. Creating content for YouTube is an activity that requires a lot of effort, dedication, and passion. And without you, my audience, none of this would be possible. Your support and feedback will inspire me to keep creating and improving my content. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to subscribe now and activate the notification bell to receive all my new videos firsthand. Leave a polite comment and like the video if you liked it. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you soon in another video.